Buddy, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and we are going to do a simple shrimp fry today. I've got some shrimp, and I'm going to use one of my favorite seasonings, Konriko Creole Seasoning, straight from Louisiana. And this is not a sponsored video, it's just a favorite of mine, and I like to use it. I get it at my one of my favorite grocery stores, Jungle Gyms here locally. That's Jungle Gyms, and they don't sponsor this video either, but they carry this, and it's really good. So here we go. We're gonna get this stuff going. I'm gonna sift some all-purpose King Arthur flour, and I'm gonna get these coated here. All right, I've got some already in my mixture here. Sifted flour and Creole seasoning, and we're gonna go ahead and get these going. Got a nice cooling rack over there for when I remove them from the oil. I'll just keep doing them in little batches here, about 5 or 6. That way they don't overcook or anything. They've been going for a little bit on each, and I'm flipping them now. It's gonna be a thin breading on these. You can see nice and golden brown. We're going to continue this. Second batch. And these are medium-sized shrimp, so they don't take too long. Okay, there we go. There's our lightly battered shrimp with Konriko seasoning. That is our my favorite here that I use. Shrimp Creole Seasoning Konriko. I use this on shrimp, chicken. I made some baked chicken this morning, but it's great with that and stir-fried vegetables. So I use it on steamed vegetables even. So really good stuff. Like, subscribe, share, enjoy.